Alaikum and a very good day everyone. My name is Nurul Afifah and me along with my teammates Umairah Hanum, Maisarah Rusdi and Siti Nur Asyiah would like to present about the implementation of information system in the organization, which is we have selected the Microsoft company. So without further ado, let's go to the very first item in every organization has, which is the history and background of the company. For the record, Microsoft is an American multinational computer technology firm founded on April 4, 1975. Microsoft, founded by Harvard College dropout Bill Gates and his lifelong friend Paul Allen. It has grown to become the world's largest software firm. It is also one among the world's most valuable corporations. The company creates and maintains a wide software products, services, and also equipment. Productivity and business operation and more digital assistance are the company segment. They offer variety of services such as operating system and business solution programs. Furthermore, it also creates produces and distribute gadgets like PCs, tablet, games, and leisure consoles. The Microsoft firm also provides cloud-based solution, which delivers software and information to consumers through the internet. They also perform research and development of sophisticated tools for future hardware and software tools. This is because they believe they will continue to expand and meet what client needs.
As we know, Microsoft is a large multinational computer technology company that was built centuries ago. Of course, Microsoft has its own vision, mission, objectives, and goals. Microsoft's vision is to help people and business throughout the world realize their full potential. Next is Microsoft's mission. Microsoft's mission is to enable people and business throughout the world to realize their full potential by creating technology that transforms the way people work, play, and communicate. Microsoft develops with its own organizational objectives. The first one is reinvent productivity and business process, build the intelligent cloud platform, and the last one is create more personal computing. Next is the goals. Microsoft goals are to establish and preserve management accountability to Microsoft owners by appropriately distributing rights and responsibilities among Microsoft board members, managers, and shareholders. The second one is to provide a structure through which management and the board set objectives and monitor performance.
This is a board member of Microsoft company. In this board member, we have chairman and chief executive officer, which is Satya Nadella. Other board member, we have lead independent director, general partner, vice chairman and chief financial officer, former executive vice president, operating partner, and others.
Next is the functional description of departments. The Microsoft company have more than 10 departments. First, they have business program and operations department, which is managing the ideas, initiatives, and activities that make the Microsoft company have a better plan in their business. Second is the business development and strategy department, which is manage professional accountable for operational excellence and delivery management across the company. Third, they have customer success and data center department, which is helping customers to achieve digital transformation that drive change management, consumption, and adoption activities with key business and IT decision makers, and enable customers to realize real from their investments. For the fourth is engineering department. The tasks of the engineering department are coding, building, hacking, designing, or testing. Then they have evangelism department, which is to influence the adoption of Microsoft platform and tools. For the finance department, they are deliver financial expertise that drives high business impact. And then they have hardware engineering department, which is constructing close partnership between hardware and software engineers, designers, and manufacturing the Microsoft devices for building cutting-edge devices and technologies that ensure world-class user experience around the world. And they also have human resources department, which is managing the culture of employees in Microsoft. And for the next department is IT operation department, which is ensures that employees have a great experience as they collaborate with colleges, customers, and partners in addition to acting as the company's first commercial customer to promote the Microsoft software and hardware. Then is external and legal affairs marketing department, focused on the cutting edge of business and regulatory issues around the world, playing proactive and engaged role pioneering new legal, corporate and external solutions. Then they have research department, which is pursue innovation in range of scientific and technical disciplines and to help solve complex challenges in diverse fields including computing, healthcare, economics, and environment. Then they have supply chain and operation management department, which is ensure best-in-class global delivery of Microsoft products by utilizing diversity of thoughts, predictive analysis, and operational excellence. But not least, the department in Microsoft company is technical sales department, which is contribute to revenue and market share growth by leading customer engagement end-to-end with architectural design, um, proof of concept, and solution that leverage Microsoft Intelligent Cloud.
As we know, Information System (IS) is the study of hardware, software, and the process of collecting, storing and processing data, and then disseminating it to meet the needs of organizations and individuals. Information System (IS) also consists of several types of information system, namely transaction processing system, office automation system, knowledge management system, management information system, and decision support system. Each organization has their own information system of choice to manage all daily operations smoother and easier. Similarly, with Microsoft Company, there are several types of information system (IS) that are used to meet all organizational needs, that is management, information system (MIS), decision support system (DSS), and the last one is office automation system (OAS).
Thank you, Ms. Siti. Now we will go to the types of information system that are available in Microsoft Company. For your information, Microsoft is using three major of information system. They are management of information system, decision support system, and also office automation system. Next, in such cases, the Microsoft company employs MIS to computerize different regulatory procedures for these businesses. In order to manage the development of services in these organizations, the corporation employ Microsoft Access databases coupled with Excel and Word. To make this process easier, the corporation uses MIS to automate its software. For the next facts, I will pass the floor to another presenter.
The second system that has been used in Microsoft Company is Decision Support System (DSS). DSS can help people to make more complex decisions and improve their company effectiveness. So DSS is used by the Microsoft Company to represent hardware components such as actuator and sensor, as well as subprograms such as storage, catalog, and user interface. So DSS also used for aggregation. So the Microsoft company used DSS as its hosting environment, and services execute in the content of DSS host. So DSS is being used by Microsoft Networking Services to make it simpler to communicate in an unified way.
Next is the Office Automation System, known as OAS. Office Automation System is a tool that designed to allow the data move from one system to another system by their own self, which is mean the data can transfer automatically from one system to another system. As an example, from Words to PowerPoint. According Bills, the OAS help them to improve the productivity of employers who need to process data and information. Therefore, the OAS is very useful and helpful in the Microsoft company. Here are the examples of OS that Microsoft company use. And for information, this example also is their product.
For the IT or IS application performance, there are two aspects stated. The first one is SWOT analysis and the second one is recommendation and action plan. As we know, SWOT analysis can be defined as a framework used to evaluate an organization's or company competitive position and also to build a strategic plan that includes short-term and long-term planning. SWOT also referred to as a SWOT analysis assess internal and external factors and also current and future potential. SWOT consists of strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. There are several advantages using management information system. Some of these benefits make management's job simpler, while the remainder benefits Microsoft business as a whole. Let's take a deeper look at what they may benefit by having MIS. The strength of having MIS is access to one single database. When the MIS is utilized for managing projects, the contractor, client, and consultant may attain a high level of openness, making it easier to create trust. Operations will also run more smoothly since information will be easily available at all times and data collecting procedures, such as forms or surveys, will be standardized. Productive tasks is another strength of having management information system, where Microsoft management and employees will be able to spend time on productive project. This is because the more effective knowledge system save them a significant amount of time. This time will be spent otherwise setting up or accessing conventional data recording methods like forms and files. As a consequence, the corporation may save money on labor while also creating more output in a shorter period of time. Another advantage of management information system is that they provide the capability of data processing tools, which may increase the quality of organizational choice. The bulk of management information system include data processing capabilities that may draw conclusion from inputs gathered from external sources. This aids in the development of improved strategies for material management, staff allocation, and overall system execution. Moving to the other aspect of SWOT, which is weaknesses, consists of cost, where the high cost of equipment. In order for a large corporation to successfully implement a management information system, gadgets that employees will use to communicate with the system must be purchased. Servers, tablets, laptops, and desktop computers are examples of these devices. Furthermore, in order for the system to function well, the organization must invest in a reliable network that connects to these devices. Another weakness is training. When implementing management information system in a corporation, staff training can also become a challenge. It might be difficult to enjoy the full benefits of using the system if they simply don't understand how it works. As a result, Microsoft must guarantee that their staff and supervisors are properly taught on how to utilize the system. This may be a costly and time-consuming endeavor. Loss of employment is one of the weaknesses from this information system. People such as office, messengers, and conventional register clerks will need to be decreased or removed when the system is implemented, since some of these jobs will be performed automatically by the system. These employees will be dissatisfied with the changes, which can easily lead to litigation or other issues with trade unions when significant numbers of staff are laid off.
Opportunities are opening or chance for something positive to happen. So the first opportunities is reduce the cost of inventory. This is because material flow can be controlled by system in manufacturing company. This can help a company to save money on inventory storage. So the next opportunities is global change. There are many modern organizations hire software specialists to develop marketing software. With Microsoft Information System, it helps to support such marketing programs, changing them daily, changing rates in accordance with the exchange rate, ensuring delivery process at the right time. So the third opportunities is electronic marketing. E-marketing also has been implemented by the Microsoft Information System by combining the Microsoft Information System with email marketing. Customers are most likely to shop on eBay and similar websites. Customer finds it easier, more convenient, affordable, and they have a lot of option to choose. So the next topic is trade. Trade include anything that can negatively affect business from the outside. So the first trade is security. This is because the whole database is accessible through the internet. Users should be aware of the system's security flaw. The personal data from MIS could fall into the wrong hand and be used to conduct a crime. In this situation, users must use extra care when dealing with the system. The second is computer crime. The rising crime rate is hitting software companies, especially Microsoft Information System. MIS being the most at risk because hackers are trying to take away all their sensitive data, future plans, tender quotes, and many useful resources that are the main asset of the organization, which is a complete loss for business and intolerable. There must be some important control on the internet to shut down such activities, otherwise world may be endangered by such miserable computer crime and human criminal behavior. The third threat is malware. It is also known as malicious software programmers. These malware include computer virus, worm, and Trojan horses, among other hazards. A computer virus is a malicious software program that attaches itself to other program or data file and execute them without the user knowledge or consent.
Next is the recommendation and action plan. Firstly, we recommend the Microsoft to continuing the image brands. By updating the image brands, they can increase their user base. And secondly, is increasing alliance with other firms. The purpose of alliance with other firms to strengthen and grow their business, especially the business globally. Next is security update. By security update, they may avoid any issue regarding hacking and error in the system especially. Then we move to next recommendation is diversify business. Diversify business is one of the methods in helping the Microsoft to increasing the expanding their business since the world is facing an economic downturn. Last but not least, the recommendation is increasing the hardware development. The purpose of increasing the hardware development is to create a culture of competition between electronics firms. And we also suggest the Microsoft create a hardware which is have their own specialties compared to the hardware that produced from other companies.
As a whole, through this project, we can see how this information system is needed not only in a large organization such as Microsoft, but in other organizations as well. With more exposure to this information system, more advantages and capabilities can be known by the public and more functions can be improved. Microsoft is an organization known for its software, hardware, and information technology, and is also the most successful entrepreneurial organization on earth that contribute a lot to global progress. But to ensure it continues to grow in the future, this information system must be maintained and added the good functionality so that it can help further development of Microsoft in the future. Thank you for your time.